With the quantum of the seas, Royal Caribbean launched the Royal IQ app. They have now replaced it with the Royal app, a brand new app designed from scratch that focuses on your cruise and the experiences that will be offered. Available both at home and on the ship, the app launches to a main screen that gives you a summary of the current day's activities, as well as information such as temperature, sunrise, sunset, and port of call details. Sliding up, you can check out the daily planner, which is all the items that are located in the compass. You can also check out any other day of the sailing using the navigation on the bottom of the screen. From the filters area, you can limit what's shown for the particular day that you are on. And selecting an item, you can see when you may have a reservation, where it's located, any other details such as times, duration, and a description. Under the My Calendar, you'll see any reservations that you have made, whether they be for dining, entertainment, or an excursion. Clicking on the dining icon displays a list of all restaurants, bars and lounges, or coffee and snack shops. Clicking on any of the items in the list will then display information about the venue, such as a description, dress code, style, and you can see the times for any particular day as well as the menu for that specific day. This is incredibly handy for the main dining room, where the main menu changes every single day, and through the app you can now see any given day from one location at the very beginning of the cruise. Using the eye icon, you can get a preview of what is going on inside the bridge at this very moment by going to the Deck 12 forward lobby and pointing your camera at the center photo. Fortunately, it is past 1 a.m. and it's dark on the bridge, so there's not a whole lot you can see right now, but during the day you can see much more going on in there. So the main tab displays a summary of any given day, the current day, and others if chosen. Sliding to the left of tab allows you to view all the activities and entertainment going on board from a general listing of the items rather than by day. So from here you can see any venues as well as the given shows. So if you were to choose something such as Hero, you can take and see when you have a reservation for it. You can choose to show more and see every day and time that it is going to be shown on your sailing. Details such as duration, description, and you can take and use the Find on Deck to instantly take and show you where it is on the deck plans. Sliding to the third tab, you can then see your profile details such as Crown and Anchor number, status, and points. You can check out any reservations that you have in the future as well as in the past. You can see your dining information, including the exact table, a summary of your recent charges so that you can verify it before the end of the cruise, and additional details on your stateroom, such as who is a part of it, the reservation number, sailing date, and of course the room number. So the Royal app is currently available on several ships, including the Symphony of the Seas, while Royal IQ continues to be used on some more recent ships that launched prior to the new app.